What if the smallest spark inside you is stronger than the storm outside? And what if the light you thought was gone was only waiting to be seen again? In a quiet American town, there was a little candle shop on the corner of Maple Street. Among hundreds of tall, shining candles, there was one tiny candle short, plain, almost forgotten. The others laughed. "You'll never last. Your flame is too weak." One night, a heavy storm rolled in. The whole town went dark. Streetlights went out. Houses turned cold. Fear filled the air. And in that darkness, the shopkeeper reached for a candle. Not the tallest, not the fanciest, but the small, plain one. With a single spark, the little candle came alive. Its flame flickered, but it did not fail. Soon, the family gathered around it, finding warmth, hope, and courage in its glow. That night, the little candle realized it was never too small to shine. Vocabulary: endure, meaning to last through hardship. Example: the candle endured the storm without giving up. Radiate, meaning to send out light or energy. Example: the candle radiated warmth in the cold darkness. Life will bring storms. Darkness will test you. But remember this: you don't need to be the biggest, the loudest, or the brightest. Sometimes, just being steady is enough to guide someone through their darkest night. Your struggles do not erase your light. They prove how strong it truly is. Even the smallest flame can set an entire heart on fire with hope. If this story touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because sometimes the story you hear is the spark you need to shine again.